Hello students, this is the summary of the last lesson taken from Flamingo, that is the chapter number 1. This has been written by Alphonse Daudet. Okay. In Franco-Prussian War of 1870 to 1871, France was defeated by Prussia. Prussia was led by the army leader Bismarck. The districts of Alsace and Lorraine of France passed into the hands of Prussian. All administrative orders for Alsace from Berlin, that is the capital of Germany, had been put up on the town hall bulletin board over the last 2 years. From the bulletin board, the bad news were about the lost battles, such as the draft, the commanding officer's orders. That morning it was to teach German only in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Okay. Franz reached school late through running. He feared scolding by M. Hamel, French teacher, for not learning participles. As usual, there was no bustle, means sound or noise of any kind. As the school began that morning, it was also still everything quite like Sunday morning. All France now, classmates were in their class seats already in silent. M. Hamel allowed him, means French, in very quietly or kindly. He was pulling on his fine Sunday dress, that is putting. Okay, that most surprising to see for France was the old village people sitting quietly on the back benches of the schoolroom. All looked sad. Old Hauser, with his primer, means elementary book, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others were sitting there in the class. M. Hamel announced it was the last lesson. He would give them last French lesson. That is, new teacher of German comes tomorrow. Franz, disturbed to hear of the last French lesson he hardly knew to learn and write it. That is the next in continuation. His books of grammar and history were now no more an avoidance, means pause, but old friends. Idea of M. Hamel going away develops a great liking in French. Now France understood why M. Hamel wore the fine dress, and village people came to thank धन्यवाद देने के लिए क्यों आए हैं स्कूल में द फ्रांस टीचर टू दैट. Not only France, but his parents and the teachers have a great deal to reproach, means rebuke is called डांटने के लिए, for misusing the that is learning hours, misuse करने के लिए क्यों थे. According to M. Hamel, French is the most beautiful, clearest, and the most logical language. It hold fast, that is if hold that is past for a long time, that is the language of an enslaved people, is the key to the prison. Every lesson of grammar, history, writing, and hearing became very last to French, the little student. So alphabet chanting by babies and the Vive la France, means live long France, means Jindabad French, France Amar Rahe. And finally, by gesturing, means signaling ideas, school is dismissed. You may go now. Very heavy mind, M. Hamel just now dispersed the student. बहुत ही अधिक दुखी होकर के उसने जाने के लिए कहा. Now I have completed the course, students. So you must prepare for the coming half-yearly examination. Thank you.